Hi superstars! Today I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria. I'll be sharing latest trends and telling you what's happening right now in palm oil business in Nigeria. When we started this year, I promised I'll carry everyone along in palm oil business in Nigeria, and I delivered. Yes, I've carried everyone along. When it was time to buy, I told people when to buy, and guess what? So many people were a bit skeptical this year on doing palm oil storage business, but palm oil storage business has made a lot of people smile this year. Okay, my superstars, those who stored palm oil have been able to make 100% return on investment. Oh, I'm so happy for every one of you. And for people like me who couldn't store palm oil, my superstars, remember me, okay? You can go ahead and hit the super thanks tab on this channel below and send buy me coffee, okay? All right, I thank God for every one of you. I'm happy for every one of you, all right? So I promised I'll give you updates from time to time for those who couldn't store last year and have been hoping to store this year. Okay, by the end of this video or towards the end of this video, I'll also share the latest price of palm oil as at today. Okay, so let's get started. So palm oil has worked a lot. Like I said, so many people have recorded 100% return, some even more than 100% return on investment. And my superstars, if you are still keeping your stored palm oil, please don't keep it again. This is November, okay, and anytime from now, new palm fruits will start coming out, and this will lead to a reduction in the price of palm oil. So if you are still storing your palm oil, please go and do away with it so you don't run at a loss. But if you want to keep it, you can go ahead and keep it. It's up to you. It's just my thoughts, though, just sharing ideas, okay, but at the same time, I can't decide on what you do finally, but I would suggest you go ahead and sell it, okay, so you don't run at a loss. And I said I'll give updates from time to time for those who are interested in starting palm oil storage business this next year, okay? So what's happening is that by now, usually the price of jerry cans, drums usually drop, but as at today, the price of 250-liter drum is still about 40,000 naira. Okay, in Akwa Ibom State to you. I don't know about your state. Okay, you can write it in the comment section. Let us know how much a 250-liter drum is right now. A 250-liter drum can take about 10-25 liters of palm oil when poured into it. Okay, for people who have issues with space, they usually prefer storing their palm oil in drums. Okay, so that's the price of 250 liters drum as at today. And for 25 liters, the price for the white 25 liters as at today is still 5,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State to you. Some people sell 4,800 naira, okay, which is still on the high side. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think a lot of people are really looking out to store palm oil next year. All right, I guess that's why it has not reduced yet, but let's keep hope alive. Let's keep waiting and trust that the price of drums will go down. Like I said, the price of the white 25 liters today is still between 5,000 naira and 4,800 naira, while the price of the yellow 25 liters is still 4,500 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, so if you know where we can get these jerry cans cheaper, for those who are interested in starting, please write it in the comment section so other people can learn as well and know as well. I know so many people look forward to getting these things ahead of next year. So if you know where we can get it at a more affordable rate and good quality, please write it in the comment section so we can all learn as well. Okay, and as at today, the price of palm oil in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, is still 53,000 naira. For freshly milled palm oil, it is 53,000 naira. That is palm oil only without jerry can. Okay, I've already told you the price of jerry can. So palm oil only is still 53,000 naira for a good grade of palm oil. So if you're looking to buy palm oil from Akwa Ibom State Uyo, that's the price of freshly milled palm oil. Other grades of palm oil may be cheaper. Okay, so I don't know about it, but I only know about the freshly milled palm oil. All right. So like I said, if you are still keeping your stored palm oil, I would suggest you go ahead and sell it so you don't run at a loss and prepare for next year. Okay, so from time to time, I'll be bringing updates like this on palm oil business in Nigeria. And for those of you who are wondering where to sell, you're having issues with places to sell, in our next video, I'll tell you possible places you can sell your palm oil. For those who store palm oil and don't know where to sell, in our next video, I'll tell you different places you can sell your palm oil. I trust that this will help you make decisions on where to sell for those who are having challenges selling. Okay, my superstars. All right. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And please, my superstars, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Have you liked this video? Please like this video, as this will let me know you love updates like this and will encourage me to bring videos like this subsequently. All right, thank you for watching, my superstars. Don't forget to send me coffee. All right, hit the super thanks tab. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you.